Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by evaluating the rounded screw head and immediate surroundings. Use a magnifier if needed and remove surface rust or paint. This improves grip. Once done, apply penetrating oil and let it soak for 10 to 15 minutes so the threads loosen. Meanwhile, select appropriate tools: a screwdriver slightly smaller than the original, a rubber band, a center punch, or a drill with a 1/8-inch bit. You want a secure contact point to begin extraction cleanly. You now create mechanical purchase on the damaged head. Place a wide rubber band over the head, press the smaller screwdriver straight down, and turn slowly. This often transfers torque without slipping. If that fails, use a center punch to make a shallow indent, then drill a pilot hole about 1/4 the screw diameter. This lets a screw extractor bite. When using an extractor, turn counterclockwise with steady pressure so the extractor threads catch without breaking. You finish by turning the screw out steadily. If it backs out, stop and back off to clear debris, then continue. If an extractor breaks, drill straight through the head at increasing sizes until the shaft can be gripped or the surrounding material removed. Once out, chase the threads with a tap or use a thread file and clean out corrosion. This ensures a new screw seats properly. Troubleshooting tip: if turning slips, add more penetrating oil, retap the hole, or use a left-handed drill bit to reverse the screw.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.